Hello and welcome to my channel, everyone. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia, and today I'm bringing you a wig review on a company called Gorgius Wigs. This is a 14-inch rectangular scalp lace Yaki straight bob wig. It's already come blunt cut, so I just want to get straight to it. This is everything that they sent in the packaging: the wig, as well as a wig cap and some goodies inside of a little goodie bag, which I thought was cute. And I like their packaging. It's kind of like a holographic looking, like reflective image type of packaging, so I thought that was really cute. So here we have the unit. It is a bang unit and it's already cut, so it's pretty much ready to wear. The only thing is, if you have a small head like me, you might have to just go in and cut the bangs a little bit shorter, so that's what I'm going to do here. So I'm just going to put a wig cap on, but I wanted to show you guys how the wig looks on the inside. You have your elastic band that they put on the inside, as well as two adjustable straps. You have a natural part at the top, which you just leave it there because it's a bang, and then it has a comb in the back as well as two combs on the side, so that way your unit is nice and secure. And this is a machine made unit, and I will be sure to link the Gorgius wig down below if you like in this video. Now, I haven't worn a bang wig in so long, but you guys know I love bobs and I also love bang wigs. And the thing I love about these units are they are super easy to apply and they are beginner friendly. There's no lace that you have to melt. The only thing that you might have to do is cut the bangs if they're a little bit too large for you, if you have a smaller head like me. But the hair already out the package is super slick, so I'm just going to go ahead. I put my wig cap on that they provided, and then I'm just going to go ahead and apply this wig. I'm going to put the band starting at the back of my nape, and then I'm just going to adjust the unit to my liking. So whenever you put a wig on for the first time, if it doesn't look right at first, there's a few things that you might have to do. You may have to adjust it, you may have to press it out or style it or cut it. So just be patient and try to work with a unit. So it's going to look a little funky at first, but I'm just trying to get it to fit where it looks comfortable to me. And then I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that it looks super natural and give it like a natural fringe. So this unit has HD lace at the top, so it makes it look more natural than a regular wig, so it gives you like that scalp look. It is a Yaki texture, so it has like a silk press vibe, giving you natural vibes, so that way it looks more believable. It's not super bone straight like normal Brazilian hair. This is like a texture type of Brazilian hair, so it gives you like a little bit more of that natural feel, like a silk press. And then this is a high quality 100% human hair wig. You can wash it, dye it, curl it, press it, so on and so forth. So you guys can see the top here. And again, for the next couple of minutes, I'm just going to be adjusting this unit. This is how it looks as is, and the ends are super blunt. Whoever cut this did an amazing job. But as you can see, I just have a little head, so I'm going to cut these bangs and just give it a more natural fringe look. So stay tuned and watch how I finesse this. And then I am going to press the top down with my hot comb, and then I am going to go ahead and press the bangs and the hair. So just watch how I style this, and yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and cut it and customize it. If you are going to cut your bangs, just make sure that you only cut a little bit at a time because you don't want to cut off too much. So I started with really small sections, and then I just started perfecting it little by little. So again, it might look a little funny now, but it's going to look bomb at the end. And honey, she was giving scalp the whole time. I really like that they added that HD lace at the top. It just gives it a little bit more of a realistic feel. So I'm going to tag Gorgius Wigs information down below, but please make sure you like, follow, and comment. And I will also link down any discount codes that they send me for you guys. You already know the drill. And comment down below if you like this unit, if it was given, or if you don't like it. If you do like it, do you prefer bang wigs, or do you prefer like a lace front wig or like a headband wig? Let me know your thoughts down below, and let me know if you've tried any hair from this company. So I'm just going to style this hair, and I'll be back in just a second. So to give this an even more natural look, I am going in and I'm hot combing the unit, making sure to get that top as flat and laid as possible, and then I'm running the hot comb through the hair. And then I am going to go ahead and press the bangs, and then make sure to press the hair as well. I didn't add the full footage of this because I didn't want you guys to be bored to death, but you definitely can press it out to give it a more natural flow and natural look. And now that this is pressed out, I am going to go in yet again, and just to even up my bangs and fix out anything, because as you can see on the screen, the right side is a little bit longer than the left, and I feel like the bangs are still a little bit too full just for my little head. So I'm just going to go ahead and start to cut this and give it more of like a fringe type of look. Okay, now I'm done cutting this unit up and I'm loving how it looks. This hair is super even. I'm loving how the bang looks like very natural, but it's still long, but it's just not, you know, in my eyes doing too much. And this is how the unit came. I did not cut anything on the end. It's super even. So yeah, I really love that. And I'm just showing you guys my end result. And again, this was a super easy install. Thank you guys so much for watching, and comment down below if you like this unit, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.